What's up, everybody? You already know how it goes. It's your boy B back with another video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have not already, man, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. If you don't know who I am, my name is Brandon Jones and I specialize in when you, yes, I said it, you make an extra income. And guys, today we are talking about something that I think everybody is going to be excited to hear. Hey guys, first I want to ask you guys to do me a quick favor. Sorry for the interruption. Could you please make sure you subscribe to my vlog channel, Educated Hustler Vlogs. It is a new channel that I've started, me showing you all of the behind the scenes of my life, my family, the process, and the ups and downs I go through. Please make sure you guys pull up, make sure you guys subscribe. I'll be going live on there, doing playing games, talking, just chit-chatting, and more, guys. So make sure you guys tune into that channel. I appreciate you and love you. Now let's get back to this video. Especially if you're somebody that's already flipping phones and you're somebody that's already in the motion, you've dealt with this. You came across this, you came across devices like this. You probably even got scammed and had to deal with something like this. And we're talking about iCloud locked iPhones, okay? Now, before we go into how you can sell them, how you can make money, these phones right here, Apple phones, these phones have iClouds on them. An iCloud is a way that you can save and store all of your personal pictures, your data, and different notes and apps on your iPhone, of course. So it sort of kind of is the way that you connect to the Apple server, the Apple cloud, right? And you need a password, you need an email, you put it on your phone, it makes sure it tracks your phone, it keeps your pictures organized, and also it makes it so that you will always retain certain data that you save to the cloud. A lot of people have these on their iPhones, and I think that it is mandatory for you to have it if you want to download apps and do certain things on your phone, okay? Now, that being said, there's a lot of individuals that throughout the day, on a typical day, whether it's a Monday through Sunday, lose their phones, right? And when they lose their phones, they tend to have an iCloud on it. And when they have their iCloud on, and let's just say they lost the phone on a bus, they have the ability to use an app called Find My iPhone to now flag that phone is stolen, which then it would display on the phone, hey, this phone belongs to this number, please return. Or they don't even have to do that at all. They could just go get another phone. Now, the reason I'm bringing this up is because we have to understand, as phone flippers, that this is a good opportunity to make some good money, okay? Why? Because if you think about it, an iCloud locked device cannot be sold to a consumer because a consumer cannot remove the iCloud. Prime example. Let me ask you right now, how do you remove an iCloud from an iPhone? Or better yet, let me ask you a better question. Can you remove an iCloud from an iCloud locked phone? Most people, 90%, maybe 95 or 99, say no. Okay, I don't know how to right now. Okay. If you don't know how to, that's fine. You're just like a whole bunch of individuals. So you may be saying, well, how can I buy one? Why would I buy one? Because there's no reason for somebody to hang on to a phone that's iCloud locked. No reason at all, right? So if this phone is iCloud locked, I already know that I can't sell this to a consumer. I already know I can't use it myself. So what is it going to do? Sit in the drawer? Or am I going to make something from it? So what you do is you get the phone flipping price list. So on our Buyers Phone Flipping Price List, we now have added a sector to where we let you know how much we will pay you for iCloud locked phones. Yes, I said it. iCloud lock phones. Now, let me pull up some examples for you, all right? And these are real life examples. And again, you can get the phone flipping price list at IamHustlersMindset.com. Go to phone flipping and it is the buyer's price list. Now, we have a iCloud lock phone price list section, okay? And you can get a iPhone 12 Pro Max and it can be iCloud locked and you get at least, because remember, buyers are bidding for every device you send to us, you can get at least $140. you can go ahead and, let's say, get a iPhone 13 Pro, and you're getting at least $220. So I say this because I want you to understand the income potential, because this is something I profit off of on a daily regardless, because when people come into my store and say, hey, the pawn shop won't take this, but they told me you might. I'm like, what do you got for me? I have an iCloud locked phone. I don't remember my iCloud. Or they say, oh, well, you know, I'm not gonna lie to you, man. I found this iCloud locked phone, and I'm just looking to get whatever I can get for it, bro. And I'm like, all right, I'll give you 20. 20? Yeah, 20. Like, I can't use it. It's just parts. Okay, all right. Boom, gotcha! You know what I mean? So I do that, and now I'm making $220 from it, and I only paid $20, so a $200 profit. So understand how to utilize the price list to make you money. But let's go even further in depth. I had somebody ask me, well, Brandon, why don't you just unlock the iCloud? So let me tell you why I don't. Because if I unlock that iCloud, I lose my leverage. Now you might be like, no, you don't. You make more money because it's not an iCloud locked phone anymore. You're right, but you gotta understand something. The fact that I have an iCloud locked phone, I can easily say, listen, I got scammed. I didn't know how to get the iCloud off, so I wanted to sell it to a buyer, right? But if I remove that iCloud, that's theft. That's complete theft, because it's like, okay, now I'm removing somebody's personal information off of their phone. No, I leave that for the buyers to do. I'm somebody, I just want to do good business. I buy it in a transaction from somebody, take that phone, now I make a profit, and I'm good, right? The buyers, what they do, they ship them internationally, they get these phones wiped out, they put it on an international plan, and then they go about their day. So it's a whole bunch of different ways you can make profits, especially with this phone flipping game, and you should never limit yourself. And I'm telling you right now, people that really are phone flippers, you already know this is a game changer. This is a game changer. So what I need you to do, I need you to go ahead and make sure you go to imhustlersmindset.com. I need you to make sure you get that phone flipping price list. And I want you to make sure that you are utilizing every single tool. Go on offer right now, type in iPhone iCloud locked phones. And I want you to look at how many devices you could be profiting off of. Buy these phones for $40. If they want $500, I'll offer you $400. I'll offer you $40, or I'll offer you $100. How they gonna say no? They might say no. Let them wait. Let them sit. I'm telling you, let them sit, because as they sit, they're gonna start to realize, dang, this phone is not moving. Can't nobody buy it from me because it's locked. Especially the 14s and up. I'm telling y'all right now, this is a game changer, and you should be getting on it right now. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate you guys. I love you guys, and I can't wait to see you guys in the next video. I hope you guys make money work for you, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.